of tornado safety on a very important day to talk about it.
Yeah, today at 9:45, Virginia is going to host its statewide tornado drill. So I wanted to take a moment to let you know what to do when there's a tornado in your area. You get a tornado warning. That is the time to take action. So what do you do? Well, you want to put as many walls between yourself and the outside as possible. So the best places to be, lowest level of your house. Think about an interior hallway, maybe a closet, or even under the stairs. That's a great place where maybe there's a little sturdier construction in your home. Bathrooms offer protection as well, but you want to stay away from those exterior walls and windows. If you have a basement, that's always the best place to go. But a lot of us don't have basements here in Tidewater because the water level's higher. If you have time, cover yourself with blankets or some kind of cushions or a mattress to offer additional protection. So these are tornado safety tips.